English-Bosnian, go equals.
Ići.
Fun present tense drill. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to faster language learning. For more resources and free downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you and I will master English-Bosnian, go equals.
Ići.
With jokes, rhythm, and real-life phrases. Ready to move? Let's go. Your goal today. You'll nail the present tense family of go in Bosnian, short, sweet, and memorable. Base verb.
Ići.
To go. I go.
Idem.
Useful bonus. You go, singular.
Ideš.
He goes.
On ide.
She goes.
Ona ide.
It goes.
Ide.
We go.
Mi idemo.
You go, plural.
Vi idete.
They go.
Oni idu.
Forms with rhythm. Stand up, clap lightly, and speak. Your brain loves rhythm. Clap. Bass.
Ići.
Step forward. I go.
Idem.
Clap. You go.
Ideš.
Smile like you're leaving a meeting early. Clap. He goes.
On ide.
She goes.
Ona ide.
Clap. It goes.
Ide.
Like, it works. Clap. We go.
Mi idemo.
Team energy. Clap. You, plural, go.
Vi idete.
Group power. Clap. They go.
Oni idu.
Marching squad. Mini dialogue. Bus adventure. Listen first, then repeat the Bosnian parts out loud. A. Shall we go now? In Bosnian.
Hoćemo li ići sada?
B. Yes, we go together.
Da, mi idemo zajedno.
A. He goes left, she goes right.
On ide lijevo, ona ide desno.
B. If the tram works, it goes.
Ako tramvaj radi, ide.
Guide. You, plural, go first, then they go.
Vi idete prvi, onda oni idu.
Comedic aside. My lazy shoes say, no, but my feet shout.
Ići.
And drag me out the door. Quick drills. Answer out loud, I'll confirm after a pause. Say, we go. Answer.
Mi idemo.
Say, you, plural, go. Answer.
Vi idete.
Say, they go. Answer.
Oni idu.
Say, she goes. Answer.
Ona ide.
Say, he goes. Answer.
On ide.
Say, it goes. Answer.
Ide.
Say the base verb, to go. Answer.
Ići.
Culture tip. Small talk power. Sound local with one easy line. In Bosnia you'll hear, how's it going?
Kako ide?
A friendly reply is,
Ide.
or soften it with,
Ide polako.
going slowly. At the old bridge in Mostar, you might hear a group spirit cry like,
Mi idemo.
before they cross, movie moment. Pop quiz. No pressure, just play. Say it, then check yourself. Translate to Bosnian. They go.
Oni idu.
Translate to Bosnian. You, plural, go.
Vi idete.
Translate to Bosnian. It goes.
Ide.
Translate to Bosnian. She goes.
Ona ide.
Translate to Bosnian. He goes.
On ide.
What's the base verb for go?
Ići.
Challenge and wrap up. Final sprint, then we celebrate. Say, after work, we go home.
Poslije posla mi idemo kući.
Say, it goes.
Ide.
Say to a group, you go first.
Vi idete prvi.
High five, nicely done. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening, keep practicing a little every day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons, downloads, and drills. Vidimo say, see you next time.